Are you also stuck trying to rename folders, create new folders, or even delete files on GitHub directly from the website without cloning the repository? Most people think you must clone the repository to your computer to do these tasks, but that's actually not necessary. In this video, I'll show you how to rename folders, create new folders or files, and delete files directly from the GitHub website, quickly and easily. First, you need to open your browser and go to your GitHub repository. Let's start with renaming an existing folder. Let's say you want to rename this folder in your repository. Now, GitHub doesn't provide a direct rename folder button on the website, but there is a simple trick you can use. Look at the URL of the repository in your browser. You'll see something like this. What you need to do is edit the URL and change .com to .dev. Once you press Enter, GitHub will open the repository in the web-based editor, which looks similar to VS Code. Now on the left sidebar, you can right-click the folder you want to rename. Now let's say you want to rename this folder. Just right-click on the folder and click Rename. Type the new folder name and press Enter. Finally, go to the Source Control panel from here. Click on the plus symbol to accept the changes. After that, add a commit message. And click Commit and Push. Let's go and check the folder for name change. You can see that our folder is renamed successfully. And just like that, your folder is renamed without cloning the repository locally. Next, let's see how to create a new file or folder directly from the GitHub website. Go back to Web Editor mode of the GitHub repository page. Let's say you want to create a new folder inside this folder or directory. Right-click on the folder and click New Folder option. Give it a name. Let me also show you how to create a new file as well. Right-click on the folder where you want to create the file. Then click New File option. Give it a name. Now go to the Source Control panel to make the changes effective. Over here, under Changes, click the plus symbol. Type the message and click Commit and Push. Let's go back and check the changes on the GitHub repository we have made. Over here we can see the new folder and file we have created. Now let me show you how to delete a file inside GitHub. Go to the folder that you want to delete, then click on the three dots over here. And click on Delete Directory. Now click on Commit Changes, type your message, and click on Commit Changes. Refresh the page to see the changes. You can see that we have deleted the folder. And that's it. Now you know how to rename folders using the GitHub Dev Editor, create new files or folders, delete files, all directly from the GitHub website without cloning the repository. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more GitHub and coding tips.